Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use WVPlayback asset. Firstly, let's import the asset inside Unity project. Here are the folders used to create the asset. Here's the icons and materials, prefab and scenes, different scenes. Here's the demo scene, the iOS scene which is used for the iOS devices, also Android scene for Android devices. And let's go to the demo scene. Let's play the scene. As you can see, it's a screen, looks like a cinema with environment. You can watch or you can play the video, you can pause the video, play the next video, and the next. You can also forward the video using the slider, and so on. Let's try small screen. Let's hide the cinema screen and play the scene. And this is the small screen, same as the previous one, but this one is smaller. Here is the scripts and the videos. We will add them in the playback. Let's create a new scene and name it testing asset. Now let's drag and drop cinema screen prefab, reposition the screen or the playback tool until it looks suitable to the camera. Here is the play button. You can change the icon you want. You can bring external icon. Here is the play button, and here are the scripts used to function this button, and here is the other buttons. Here's the slider. Here's where you can change the color of the fill area, and also the handle. You can change the color of the handle from here. And don't forget to drag and drop the main camera into playback tool. And here where you can add your videos, you want to play them, and you can increase or decrease the numbers from here. It depends to the videos you want to play them. Let me drag and drop the videos inside the script. Here is the play button, pause button, and now let's play the scene. This is how it looks when you play the scene. You can play, pause the video, play the next video, and so on. Now let's hide the cinema screen and try the small screen. Do the same steps you did in the cinema screen. Add videos. Now let's build this project into PC, Mac and Linux standalone. Firstly, add open scene and then switch the platform. Press build and run. This is how it looks when you build and run the project in your Mac platform. And this is the end of this video. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed.